Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share this tutorial with you how to make this beautiful flower. This is really easy and fast. Let's get started with make slip knot. Then I'm going to chain 6. Then I'm going to this chain together to make a loop, but it's up to you. If you want to make a magic loops, you can also do that. What we have to do for the first row, we are going to make double crochet by start 3 chain, and in the same loops I'm going to make 12 or 14 double crochet. It really depends the size of flower you like. If you need more bigger flower, you have to make more double crochet in these loops. Like that, continue to make double crochet in these loops, and I'll be back. I already finished row 1. What we have to do for the next row, we are going to grab the yarn, insert the hook here, and try to grab the yarn 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you have 6 loops, you are going to knit all together and chain 1. Then it's time to make that part. What we have to do, we are going to chain 4, and exactly in the same space we are going to make 1 single crochet and repeat 2 more times by chain 4, then 1 single crochet, chain 4, and 1 single crochet. Right. Chain 1, and then again try to grab the yarn 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we're going to knit all together, chain 1, and then repeat that pattern by 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, the same space, 1 single crochet, and then chain 1, like that. We're going to repeat again until the end of the row. Let me just finish that one. I'm going to finish the row and I'll be back. As you can see here, I already finished the row. In this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But what we have to do when you finish the last part, we are going to finish the work. You can insert the hook here and then make 1 slip stitch, and then it's time to cut the yarn and the job is going to finish. As you can see here, this flower is gonna be it's going to have different shape if you make it with different yarn. As you can see here, this yarn looks like that, and this yarn I already used. As you can see here, I already have only 6, but it's up your yarn. You can make it bigger or smaller, but this is the way you have to make this beautiful flower and use it for any kind of project you like. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you and have a great day.